Okay, so here's a day in the life of me, Gail, a document preparer for Jamaican documents, especially passports.
I am picking up my niece right now from her prep school. 90 acres of school.
So when my sister asked me to pick up my niece from school on Friday, I said say less. But what they didn't know is that I had a secret plan, because the route just happens to pass one of my favorite coffee shops in Greenwich. This place is stunning. It is called Coffee for Good. They do offer jobs to people with different abilities, and it is so aesthetic. It's basically Instagram
I just picked her up
heaven.
from her fancy prep school. Hundreds and hundreds of acres. Well, this is not the school, this is a coffee shop. Look at the coffee shop behind me. She's like, is that a coffee shop?
Okay, she doesn't actually talk like that. Back to the coffee shop. So this place is called Coffee for Good, and it is in Greenwich, Connecticut. I found this place some time ago, and I generally come here to sit and work and have coffee or lunch. They hire persons of different abilities.
All right, so I love this place. Coffee for Good. Take some food. And there is the name. So yesterday I was making a video about saying good as opposed to well, and this is a coffee shop that is for good, so this coffee shop is doing good. Anyway, we're gonna sit right over here and have more coffee.
Normally it's not crowded. You'll just see a person sitting on your laptop or two people having a quiet coffee in a corner. But today there seemed to be a party on the terrace. I don't know who they were. Ladies who lunch, mothers for others. I don't know who they were. They all looked beautiful. They were having a great time. And so it was a little noisy on this particular day. But look at this place. Look at the tabletop. Look at the fireplace. Okay, so maybe I didn't actually have any coffee on this day. I had lentil soup, which I have frequently here, and I had a sandwich. I think it was chicken or turkey, but the lettuce was so fresh. Every part of it was so delicious. I love pea soup, so you know I love me a hot bowl of lentil soup. And of course, I couldn't pass up the photo op. So, of course, I snapped a few pics, recorded a couple of vids, and it was time to get back to work to chain myself to my desk until midnight. I think I had the longest workday ever.
All right, coffee is over. I got a couple of clients, and now I wasn't getting coffee to get clients, but a couple of clients contacted me. So now I have to get back to my desk. Lunch is over. Bye.
Okay, do not go anywhere until I talk to you about my outfit. Special mention to these lovely earrings. I could not wait to wear these. And then there is the blouse that was held together by one button and a prayer. I was loving the way that I looked modest, but yet a little risque. Of course, we have to make special mention of the decor in this place because it is understated yet just beautiful. All right, bye for real this time. Bye.